Passive Purple is an intelligent, airtight liquid vapor control that replaces traditional tapes and membranes. It's available in two forms: a brush-applied version which contains fibers to span larger gaps. Passive Purple can go on any surface penetrations or junctions, on timber frame, and anywhere on the built envelope you think there could be air loss. We also have a liquid-applied version, which is either spray or roll-applied. Passive Purple solves a range of problems with any type of construction. For example, with masonry, we can use Passive Purple to achieve the usual benefits, but with one huge advantage. As the building moves, Passive Purple will move with it and remain airtight for years. Contact us to discuss your project's substrate requirements. And if it's a high-rise, anything over 60 feet, our products are Class B fire rated. Passive Purple is a truly fast way of achieving airtightness. When you have a number of buildings to do using tapes and membranes, there is a very real risk of task repetition fatigue. That's combined with the inability to see mistakes. Because it's adhering to something, you can visually see it's purple. So if it's purple, it's airtight. Yes, Passive Purple and all of our products are intelligent membranes that are VOC free. All Passive House Supply products are water-based with no acrylics or solvents. It may seem more expensive at first glance, but let's look deeper. First of all, Passive Purple is the world's most intelligent airtight liquid vapor control. You no longer require tapes and membranes, and that saves a great deal of time and labor. More good news, Passive Purple becomes even more cost-effective on larger buildings. Contact us and we will explain coverage and substrate advantages for your specific project. In a nutshell, it's the difference between an internal vapor control and an external facade breathable membrane. Let's look at the Passive Purple interior membrane under a microscope. It's made up of tiny molecules built up to be airtight. Now remember, it's just 4/10 of 1 inch thick, so this is greatly enlarged to show how it works. It keeps things airtight when it's closed, but can also create spaces to allow moisture through it, to or from the building. Passive Purple interior is intelligent. These membranes are only activated with humidity above 80% or below 20% humidity. It's opened or closed as needed. Think of these membranes as the doorman at your building. They decide who goes in and who must leave. At Passive House Supply, we think of this intelligent membrane as our net zero hero, because it not only protects the interior from moisture damage, it does it with no damage to the environment. Our net zero hero superpower? The best protection without VOCs. Now, let's look at the external membrane. Magnified, they look a bit more like this because they are breathable membranes. And when we say breathable membranes, we're talking about moisture, not air. With these intelligent membranes, the moisture gets out, but air can't get in. If any moisture builds up in this building, external Passive Purple facade allows it out of the building quickly, but the building remains airtight. These intelligent membranes protect your building inside and out and cause no environmental damage.